Hey guys, so I'm back in Manila. The market is down. What's happening in the markets? Check this video out. Hey guys, before we begin this video, I'd like to invite you to the top 10 stocks of 2019. If you want to know what are a good reference of stocks that you can look at, I've invited a couple of friends who are experts in their own fields, in their own specialties, that they will give you a reference point on what 10 stocks you should look for and watch given the current economic and market conditions. So I hope to see you there. The event will be next week, December 15, here in City Grand Garden Hotel. So enjoy the video. Hey guys, so the market's dropped to 7461, which is way below what we set. No, I placed this in previous videos that if it holds 7620, the bullish move will still continue. However, we did not hold. Please remember from last week there was a large amount of volume breaking and pushing the markets up. But as of the past few days, we did not hold the 7620 level. And as much as I want the market to be bullish, as much as I'm excited that we're finally having a chance to reverse, I don't have any emotion at all. I don't have any remorse also that if the market fails to hold 7620, my narrative is sellers are dominating. It was really a false support that wasn't really there at all. That's why if the market goes down, the market retraces, it's okay. Why? Because our goal as traders and investors is basically this, to follow what the market is saying. The market is saying that at 7620, it wasn't a strong support. The market is saying at 7620, sellers emerged. So for those who took profits, congratulations, you've made money. Now let's see how where it will go. How low can it go, and what's next for the market? Please remember, no, with the exception probably of SM Prime Holdings, majority of the stocks that are considered large cap stocks are down. Ali's down, BDO's down, AC is down, and you have a lot of the ones that have been bought up also by foreigners are the ones that have been sold down as well. So that's quite an interesting narrative also for the day. But please remember, large breakout, large volume. When it started to go down, the volume started to at least get a bit smaller. So why am I saying this? Should we see larger volume spikes again, this could denote that, hey, we now have a shot still that the selling might just be temporary. But again, our narrative, our style is just to take the charts as it is. For those who have set sell signals that have been triggered, sell, take profits. Your goal is to win. Your goal is to be profitable. You don't have to be right all the time. You just have to be profitable. Now, let's check out what the charts are saying. So guys, here's the PSEI. If you look at it closely, it was trying to reverse sana, but if you try to zoom in, based on what I said also from the previous videos, that it failed to hold the 7620 level. It was there already for like 2 candlesticks, but it did not hold it. The large red candle that you're seeing here is evidence, textbook evidence of the heavy selling that actually happened as well. So now if you try to look at it, I'm trying to zoom in for all of you, you're seeing now that the selling is now below the support range that we have. We're now below the 7620 level. Now, if you look at it very closely also, the index is now sitting at support level at 7445. It's over there. So, why am I saying this? What's the narrative? What's the technique here? If this does not hold and does not bounce in the next few days, we could possibly see the markets continue to reverse. I think on the meantime, if this level, no, the support where it's at right now, does not hold and does not continue its position, you can expect that a possible scenario that could happen is the market could go back and drop to 7270 levels. So again, because it failed to hold the 7620 level, the market's now experiencing 2 red candles of selling, which is normal, which is part of the narrative, which is how things are going when people take profits and sell. Next stop for it is around the next stop for it is a 7270 level because of its failure to hold. Should it fail to hold the current support level. So what should you do on Monday, guys? So if it does not hold the current support level, which was on the charts that I posted, it can now start to retrace lower and go back to that support level. If that does not hold, I'll keep you updated, but at least we now know that we now have a range at around 7620, which is our current peak resistance level. Then you have 68, which is the stronger support range. So those are some things that you need to watch. But again, as much as I want it to be bullish, and I say this over and over and over, I'm not emotionally attached to it. For me, it's just a market that's taking profits, that if it goes down, it's okay, because that's the game. We have to remember, we should remove our biases toward it. We should remove any preconceived notions. As much as we want the market to hit 9,000, the momentum and price and everything else in between is dictating that 7620 sellers are there. At 7620, we have two red candles. At 7620, it's now back at another support level. If this support level does not hold, we can drop back to 7,200. So there, that's it. I'm back in Manila, guys. So I don't know if you've noticed it, but it's been a hectic few months. But I just have, I guess, 3 more talks, and then I'm calling it a year already. So tomorrow, Stock Smarts Manila, Saturday, Sunday. Then next week, we're going back for Fundamentals 3 and the top 10 stocks for 2019, which features a lot of my friends who have their own opinions on what stocks that you're supposed to buy as well. So there, it's just fun. It's just nice to be able to be part of your journey, especially to those who are crushing it and winning it this year. Thank you that these videos, and those who've attended the seminars and read the books, that this video series is something that has been instrumental also on helping you win and make it through the markets. Because you know what, this journey won't be complete without you. You guys make this so amazing. You guys make what I do so lovable. So there, see you all tomorrow for Stock Smarts Manila. Trade the markets with confidence, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo, back in Manila, back in the home base. See you all again soon. God bless you all.